Embark on an exhilarating alpine journey with the top ski boot bags. Explore a fusion of precision engineering and innovative designs, unlocking the ideal balance of comfort and performance to elevate your winter escapades on the mountainside. UNI-GEAR SKI-MOGUL 60L Boot Bag. This boot bag serves as an ideal backpack for transporting all your skiing and snowboarding essentials, thanks to its numerous internal compartments. Embodying the principle of organization, it ensures every item, from goggles, jackets, scarf, and personal belongings to your helmet and even your boots in the vented side pocket, is neatly accommodated. Crafted from water-resistant polyester and generously padded, it safeguards your gear from both the weather and potential impacts. Moreover, its comfort-enhanced design extends to the fully padded backpack straps, which work in tandem with adjustable buckles to provide ample support for your back. Why compromise when heading to the slopes? Opt for the GEAR SKI-MOGUL Ski Boot Bag for a hassle-free experience. SPORTUBE Cabin Cruiser Bag. Avoiding boot loss is key as you prepare for your trip. Meet the Overheater, a 48L boot backpack compliant with airline carry-on rules, accommodating all mountain essentials: boots, gloves, helmet, goggles, and clothing. Our unique hitching mechanism allows you to attach a carabiner and waist strap to your SPORTUBE hard case, seamlessly integrating it into the boot bag. With padded contoured shoulder straps, a sternum strap, and load straps, the Overheater ensures even weight distribution and a personalized fit. Its user-friendly centerfold design provides access to both the padded boot compartment and clothing section. Bright fabric lining aids item retrieval, while padded back and side panels protect boots and enhance comfort. For convenience, a quick stash pocket aids pre-security pocket emptying alongside a padded tablet pocket. The detachable helmet pod offers flexibility, fitting within the overhead compartment or stashing under the seat. Crafted from premium 840D polyester, the Overheater withstands travel rigors, boasting YKK zippers, vents, drain holes, and durable hardware. These features position it as a superior choice, available in orange on black or green on black. OUTDOORMASTER 50L Ski Boot Bag. This backpack-style boot bag not only accommodates your boots but also provides ample space for all your other equipment. Equipped with 2 shoulder straps for comfortable carrying, it offers convenient front access to your helmet. Moreover, it boasts 2 front pockets and 2 easily accessible side pockets. At the back, you'll discover the boot compartment, effortlessly accessible via a zipper. This compartment is spacious enough to hold your boots, helmets, goggles, gloves, and additional layers for colder days. Crafted from top-notch 1680D waterproof nylon material, it is available in 4 different colors. BACKCOUNTRY Ski and Snowboard 38L Boot Bag. Upon initial inspection, we were impressed by the premium quality materials and ample space offered by the BACKCOUNTRY Ski Boot Bag. However, it truly won us over during a 3-day ski excursion to Utah. The U-shaped front opening facilitated easy loading of ski boots, multiple layers, accessories, and additional clothing for non-skiing days. While the bag could serve as a carry-on for certain airlines, we encountered no issues checking it in, ensuring all gear remained perfectly protected throughout the flight. The generously sized top pocket easily accommodated goggles, gloves, and other accessories. Furthermore, the bag features 2 slip pockets on each side for water bottles, along with a large concealed back pocket ideal for packing extra clothing items. Utilizing the rear access zipper, retrieving ski boots from the bag was effortless, and the back flap doubles as a mat for organizing gear in parking lots. After a day on the slopes, the 4 vents at the bottom of the bag effectively aired out damp boots. Additionally, the lining proved easy to wipe clean when dirt transferred from the footwear. Despite its spacious capacity, the bag's padded back and straps ensure comfortable wear, with the sternum strap aiding in height adjustment. DAKINE Boot Pack DLX 75L. We were impressed by the spaciousness and structured rectangular design of the DAKINE Boot Pack DLX 75L. Its robust feel and ability to stand upright are particularly noteworthy, facilitating easy access for loading ski boots and gear. Despite packing the ski boot bag to capacity for air travel, we found it convenient and comfortable to carry through the airport. The well-padded straps and evenly distributed weight, thanks to the bag's sturdy base, contributed to this ease of transport. The thick padding surrounding the bag instilled confidence that our packed gear would be well protected during air travel, given the water-resistant and ripstop polyester material. A notable feature is the backpack's ability to fold down flat, allowing for easy storage during the off-season or when not in use. While the absence of vents to aid in drying wet gear is a drawback, we don't view it as a deal-breaker given the bag's impressive capacity and durability. THULE Roundtrip Ski and Snowboard 90L Duffel Bag. Whether you're hitting the slopes with your family or seeking additional storage during the off-season, THULE's Roundtrip Ski and Snowboard Duffel Bag is an excellent choice, boasting ample capacity and top-notch materials. Packing and unpacking are made easy with its 3 sections, the central compartment and 2 side pockets. Despite its bulkiness and weight when full, it remains relatively manageable to carry thanks to the padded shoulder strap. The inclusion of 2 side pockets with grommets proves convenient for separating boots from other gear, enhancing organization. With its robust 600D polyester construction and padded material, the bag exudes a durable feel. The standout feature of this duffel bag is its impressive 90-liter capacity, accommodating 3 pairs of ski boots, a spare ski jacket, 2 pairs of snow pants, goggles, and various accessories. Furthermore, it offers versatile carrying options, including top and side handles, a detachable padded shoulder strap, or the option to attach it to a ski bag. After 3 months of regular use, the bag has shown no signs of wear, demonstrating its durability and reliability. KULKEA Thermal Taker 62L. Skiers will find the KULKEA Thermal Trekker Heated Ski Boot Backpack particularly appealing during frigid days on the mountain, thanks to its heated side pockets designed to warm up boots before hitting the slopes. Having used the bag regularly for 3 months, we've come to appreciate this unique feature, especially on bitterly cold days. The heated pockets offer 3 adjustable settings, low, medium, and high, controlled by a convenient remote that can be stored in the bottom front pocket for easy access. In addition to the 2 side pockets for boots, the backpack boasts a spacious main compartment, a top pocket, a front pocket, and a front helmet sling. We encountered no difficulties fitting all our ski gear into the backpack, and we appreciate its compact design, which allows for comfortable wearing on the back even when layered up. While it would have been beneficial to have drainage or vents in the boot pockets, we recognize that the presence of insulation and the heated element make any form of drainage counterproductive. ATHALON Everything Boot Bag Ski Snowboard. With the ATHALON Everything Boot Bag, you can bid farewell to concerns about forgetting your gloves or goggles, thanks to its dedicated accessory pockets and clips. We appreciate the abundance of well-thought-out storage solutions for ski boots, helmets, neck gaiters, and various items both inside and outside the backpack, facilitating natural organization. The inclusion of side pockets for ski boots is particularly handy, as it keeps clothing and accessories separate from potentially damp boots post-skiing, while also allowing ample space in the main compartment for clothing items. Although the backpack may feel a tad heavy when fully packed, the padded adjustable straps and back enhance comfort and aid in weight distribution. The materials exhibit durability and water resistance, instilling confidence that this boot bag will offer exceptional organization and portability for many ski seasons to come. Thanks for watching.